Hello dear students, in this video we are going to discuss how to do HTML coding in your smartphone. Okay, so I know many students are using smartphone for this practice. Okay, so you can do this in your smartphone, but I will suggest you, if you have computer or laptop, you do this in your computer or laptop. Don't use smartphone for this practice. Okay, so now I will tell you how to install this text editor. We need, for this coding, we need text editor, and we are installing one app here. Okay, so you simply click on install this app in my smartphone. So now I will open, and this is our text editor. Here you have to type your program. Okay, so see here, now I will type here simple program. And another thing I will tell you here, suppose I type here something and I want to open new. So you will get how you are getting this file tab or file menu in notepad, like that way you will get here. So click on this option and see here, new, open, save as, close option are there. And you know well how to use this option, what is the use of this option. Okay, so you can click on new file is open here, and now start your typing. Okay, so see, from HTML tag we should start HTML. Okay, and closing bracket. Now in next line, next we'll use here simple program I am typing here. Okay, head tag and close it. Second, third tag. Now I want to show here title, give here title. Okay, so title tag we will use and close it. Now I want to give here title web page. Okay, and immediately you close your tag. Okay, title tag now will close here. Sorry, here give here slash, this slash and title. Okay, and now head tag also we have to close here. Close here head tag. It is quite difficult in mobile. Okay, so that's why I said ki you have to use your laptop or computer. Now I want to give some message in body part. Okay, so start your body tag, and now here I want to give message, welcome friends. Okay, and close this. Give slash and body tag closed here, and now at last you close your HTML tag. Okay, so this is our simple program, basic program. And see how I use here all tags, and then you have to save this file, save it. And you can save anywhere here, different places are given in local. I will save now. Okay, so give here name, and give extension. Remember, always you keep this thing in your mind. Whenever you will save your file, you have to give extension .html. Okay, and then click on create. Yes, now this file is created, code is completed here, and now it is ready to run this program. Okay, so you click on this option and you will get here different options. From here you can choose preview in browser. Click on preview in browser. Your HTML code is showing this output. Okay, so wait, I will zoom this and I welcome friends. This is body part. Okay, and web page, it is on mobile phone, it is not showing web page title. Wait, see here, if you click on it, you will get web page. A web page we gave as a title of our web page. Okay, so it is showing here and message is also showing welcome friends in body part. So like that way you have to do your HTML coding. Okay, in coming videos we will see some more tags and you will enjoy definitely. Okay, so now we will stop here, do practice, and okay, thank you and have a nice day.